Namaskara. Hello everybody. I am Parimala Jaggesh and this is Alami Wrap Kitchen where we make dieting super fun. As a working woman, I'm completely aware of the different hassles we have to face. Our recipe should be healthy, it should be easy, and it should be super fast and quick. Come, let's check out the recipe which I have for you guys today. Soaked oats. Yes, I'm going to show you two variations, and here are the ingredient list for the first variation. I'm using rolled oats. You can use instant oats also. Next, I'm adding skim milk. The options are coconut milk, almond milk, a tablespoon of chia seeds, followed by homemade curd and honey. A pinch of cinnamon powder. I am topping it up next with fresh cut fruits, seasonal fruits, whatever is available, banana, strawberries, and I had some blueberries at home, so yes, a little of blueberries. And for garnishing, a handful of any nuts dry roasted at home. Yes, your overnight soaked oats is ready. Let's check out the next variation. Oats Dessert. Yummy, no sugar, and guilt free. The ingredients list is here. We start out with, as usual, rolled oats, and we are adding a little milk. Again, the choice is yours. Any sort of milk you can add, honey, curds, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and cocoa powder is the key ingredient for this dessert. You can add in chocolate chips. In case there are no chocolate chips at home, all you would have to do is take a chocolate, grate it, and add it. You can also top it with roasted dry nuts, and your oats dessert is ready. Isn't it super easy? And yes, this overnight soaked oats need not be had only for breakfast, especially the second version, which is yummy dessert sort but definitely not laden with sugar, can be had any time of the day. The ease with which we can prepare this, you don't have to scratch your head in the morning, it's all done the previous night. So check it out, share the different combinations of fruits you're going to use. Always going for the local seasonal fruits, and yes, make it as colorful as possible. You have a wholesome meal for you in just under 5 minutes. So if you do like this video, like, share and subscribe, and share with me the pics you have used for the combinations. I would love to put it up on my Instagram handle. Thank you.